guys, it's me, Honey Chang, and today you have been waiting so long. I actually made slime! It was on my hands for so long. Look, I finally made my slime. Yay. Before I actually made a video, but it somehow paused and now it's gone. So I'm just gonna show you that I made the slime. I mean, the slime that I made. I just put my glue and some pink, purple, mostly purple, and I put it in this bowl. Hey, my dad is here. Let's see what you do. My dad hates slime. He says it's creepy, but it's not supposed to be creepy. He's scared of regular Chinese slime, which is called 液体怪物 in Chinese. So oh my gosh. My dad hates 液体怪物, so I don't know what to do about it. He hates it. Even though I'm gonna make thousands of these, he's gonna be probably gonna run away from me because I'm buying so much. Next time I'm gonna make a pink one because this is mostly purple. So guys, just to tell you, not to show you, I actually put some of the purple glue and pink glue and into this bowl. You call this a bowl? Yeah. And then I added some activator, which is the magical liquid that makes slime form. So then I mix it until stirred until it's hard to mix. So then I know that it's ready to play with. And it comes off my hand really easily. Now, I can just do this. Showing. Yeah, it's easy to come off of my hand. Oh my god, the slime on my hand is actually hardened. It's hardening. But what do I do with this slime? Isn't this slime gonna get hardened and become old? Then I have to throw this away. Isn't this gonna be sad? What do I do then? Okay, this part has a lot of activator. Okay, spoon need. Even though it's literally already slime, but there's activator here. Okay, now it's really forming. Get it off my spoon. Like I said before, I did this and it was actually on my spoon for a really long time. So yeah, and I was like, get it off. Get off my spoon. Get it off. Spoon, you better get it off. It's my slime. It could also be your slime, but it's not my spoon slime. It's my slime, mostly your slime. I mean, it's your slime, mostly my slime. What am I saying? Oh my goodness. I hope this does not harden because it took me 14 minutes. Actually, it's not really a long time, but it's pretty long. Yay! And I can just poke it like this. I love it. I don't want to get it on the table. My table's for drawing, not making slime. And I can't use the kitchen table because it's for eating, putting all my bowls, not for slime either. So just gotta use this bowl. But I like the sound of slime. It's on my spoon again! Okay, I gotta throw this away later because it's just a plastic spoon. If it's a wooden spoon, I wouldn't like throw it away. I'm getting slime juice all over me. So I'm just gonna be obsessed with this slime. Do I need more glue? I want to make this slime even bigger, but this is big enough for my hands because I don't want to deal with that same problem again. So let's just say if this video gets 2,000 views, I will make another video, but I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make the slime. Like I said, I'm gonna make like a pink slime, but I'm gonna make another slime that it's literally glitter, glitter, glue. Yeah, like I said, I think I said it before, but yeah, glitter. I will make glitter slime next time. And I still have activator, so I think that's enough. Yes. Oh, I like that squishy. Listen. I love it. Please, no haters. I love slime. Even though I never felt it, now I do know how it feels. Korean and Kolinski. I mean, Sis vs. Bro and Kolinski make slime, so now I know how they feel. I'm gonna be a slime girl next time, and I know Karina something, like I forgot her last name thing. So she's called a Korean. That's a Karina something like. And I never made slime before, so I'm gonna be a slime girl next day. Like, imagine like, oh, I made slime, and then 2 years later, I'm a slime girl, literally made out of slime. Imagine that, like literally. But I love slime now. Slime is so squishy, and I can make my own slime. Do you guys want me to add more glue? Let me know in the comments down below. Even though you can't comment though. Wee. It's so squishy. I love it. I wish I could add glitter, but I don't have glitter at home. So, okay, I'm getting so much slime juice on me. It's even purple. The slime juice is even purple. At least I didn't get it everywhere, right? It just got like some of that like purple dust everywhere. But it's okay. Okay, I gotta throw these slime tissues away. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button in the face, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.